In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily remove someone from WhatsApp group. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to open up WhatsApp app, then go to chats, and that's where we can filter all our conversations by groups to make it easier to find a group you are looking for. Here we got some groups. I'm gonna enter the first one. To be able to delete someone from a group, you have to be an admin in that group. And then, first off, we need to tap right here at the very top, add group's name. After that, scroll down until you find this members section. Here, as you can see, I am an admin in that group, so I can remove any user from here. To remove a user, we need to first off find this user in that list. If you got a lot of members here, you can use search. Just hit right here and then search for a user by their name, just like that. Once you find the user you want to remove from your group, just tap on it and then hit remove from group. To confirm it, hit add remove again. In the same way, we can remove any user from here. Just tap on them once and then hit remove from group. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.